In this tutorial, we will show you how you can use drag and drop to quickly play back entire folders of photos, videos, and music. With PowerDVD 13, you can directly drag and drop Blu-ray or DVD folders to the PowerDVD icon to instantly start full-screen playback. You can do the same with entire folders of HD videos, or a mixed set of photos and videos like you get from your camera, to instantly enjoy a multimedia slideshow. Simply hit the spacebar to pause or resume the slideshow. Adjust your slideshow preferences by clicking the Configure Slideshow Preferences button here. Set the duration of each photo from 3 to 6 seconds. Choose an effect: motion, fade in and out, or none. When you're playing your slideshow, press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard to have your show repeat at the end. Press Ctrl plus V for shuffle play. Repeat and shuffle work when playing music too. You can also drag a folder of music into PowerDVD to play it. Directly drag and drop a folder of your favorite artist, for example. PowerDVD automatically displays all the tracks and starts playing the first one. In the player controls, customize music playback by clicking the note icon. Choose an equalizer setting that fits with your music, from classical to hard rock or blues. You can also click on the True Theatre icon to turn on True Theatre Surround Sound for spacious surround sound, even when listening on a laptop or normal computer speakers. The Music Mini Player, a new feature in PowerDVD 13, lets you control music playback using a small desktop widget. Great for listening to music while you're working. PowerDVD gives you more ways to play.